what is the difference between the mean and the median? Well, first off, the mean is also known as the average of a sample, and it's represented here by x bar in this equation. And it's just, all the x's, all the data points in a sample divided by capital N, which is the total number of data points in that sample. Median really isn't represented by any equation. It's just a counting technique for the most part, and it just gives you the middle of the sample. And this seems like a simple enough concept, but we're going to see how these numbers can be used to tell a certain story, most commonly the mean, a certain story about data points, which may not necessarily be the truest story, and that kind of seems vague, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here's an arbitrary set of data points. Here's some stats about the data points. Number of data points is 9. When you sum them all up together, you get 108. So the mean, therefore, is 12. The median you just get by counting off the numbers, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, until you get down to where you either have 2 or 1 number. In this case, we have 1 number because it's an odd number of data points. So the median is 7. So here's a histogram, which is representing the data points above. We have frequency on the y, or range on the x, and this kind of shows you what I'm talking about. You have the median lies right here in this 6 to 10 range, and the mean lies in this 11 to 15 range. And you see something pretty cool here. Like the mean, it's in this empty part of the data set. It doesn't actually exist. It's just in between these data points. So if this was, say, average household income, no one's actually making this. It's just you have a bunch of people at the top and you have a bunch of people at the bottom. And then you have the mean, the average. So this is why it's important to kind of be able to tell the difference between the mean and the median. The median is actually a data point that, that is there. The mean isn't. So it's kind of like a quick, simple example of, knowing the difference between the mean and the median. So this question is brought to you by STEMbuds.com. And if you'd like to ask anything from school or from anything science, technology, engineering, and mathematics related, then come over to STEMbuds.com and ask us. We'd be happy to answer it for you. Thank you.